Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial, AWeber versus LanderBolt comparison. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. Let's begin with AWeber. AWeber is a popular email marketing tool that has been around for years, providing small businesses, bloggers, and entrepreneurs with an easy way to manage their email campaigns. Its drag and drop email builder and a wide variety of templates make it a great solution for those who want to create professional emails without technical skills. AWeber's automation features are designed to help you schedule and automate email sequences, like welcome emails or follow-ups based on subscriber actions. It also offers list segmentation, allowing you to target specific groups of customers for personalized messaging, which can boost engagement. AWeber is especially great for small businesses that need an affordable platform to handle basic email marketing tasks with reliable customer support. Its free plan covers many essential features, making it accessible for beginners. Now let's take a look at LanderBolt. Unlike AWeber, LanderBolt is not an email marketing tool, but rather a landing page builder designed to help you create high-converting landing pages with ease. LanderBolt is geared toward marketers who need to quickly deploy landing pages for campaigns without dealing with complex coding or design work. With its drag and drop editor, you can build professional landing pages in minutes. LanderBolt's speed and simplicity are key features. It allows users to launch unlimited landing pages optimized for conversions with options for A/B testing and detailed analytics to track performance. While AWeber focuses primarily on email marketing, LanderBolt helps businesses and marketers capture leads and drive traffic with highly customizable landing pages that can be integrated with various marketing tools, including email platforms like AWeber. LanderBolt is especially useful for businesses running multiple marketing campaigns, as it offers the flexibility to design pages quickly, test them, and make adjustments based on real-time data. It's a tool that helps with the front end of marketing, getting leads, while AWeber helps with the back end, engaging those leads through email campaigns. In summary, AWeber is best suited for businesses looking for a solid email marketing platform that simplifies campaign management and list segmentation. LanderBolt, on the other hand, is perfect for marketers who want to quickly create and test landing pages to maximize their conversions, making it a great tool for lead generation. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.